Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and this is your Tok and I know कि मैं बहुत दिनों के बाद आई हूँ and I'm so sorry for being late but I don't care and guess what we are doing मेरी दीदी की शादी होने वाली है
nothing
Just
like that.
kidding guys, ऐसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है मेरी दीदी इतनी जल्दी हमें खुशी नहीं देगी no 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 सो एक्चुअली हमारे लिए हमारी घर की शादी है सो मैं मेहंदी फ्लेक्स कर रही हूँ अपनी कैसी और इसमें मेहंदी नहीं निकाली है या सो व्हाटएवर तो हमारे घर में शादी है तो हम लोग रेडी हुए थे तो आई जस्ट थॉट कि मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत बार एक स्पेसिफिक रील देखी जिसमें इट वाज लाइक आस्क दिस क्वेश्चंस टू योर सिबलिंग बिफोर इट्स टू लेट तो मैं ऐसा ये मर गई तो मुझे डर लगता है थोड़ा सा तो मैं उसके पहले से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहूँगी दैट 15 क्विक क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आई एम गोना आस्क हर एंड इसकी ये फालतू बातें तो करती रहती है तो मैं थोड़ा सा जल्दी जल्दी कटाने का कोशिश करूँगी बट लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट इट एंड दिस इज़ माई सिस्टर एक्चुअली दोज हु डोंट नो एक्चुअली हम ये मेरी स्टेप सिस्टर है ये मेरी नहीं
No, it's nothing like that. I'm a real sibling. I'm an elder sibling, to be very honest. We have 7 years age difference. People mistook us that we just have 2 or 3 year age difference.
Yeah.
But right now in my last year of my masters. Yeah.
तुला तुझं एज्युकेशन नको सांगायचं
असं नको वाटायला असं नको वाटत घरात बसली फुकट. Let's carry on.
लेट्स गो तो ये हाँ तो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट मैंने इसे आउटलुक दिया था कि कैसे क्वेश्चंस होने वाले हैं तो इसे मे भी पहला क्वेश्चन पता है सो आई होप शी इज प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट सो चालू करो
Viva what? Viva है क्या?
यस
How many marks? Start.
So the first question is, what's your favorite childhood memory of us?
Oh, I guess it would be when we used to live in previous house. I guess we used to live in Old Panvel. तो वहाँ पे we used to play a lot of games in our balcony. So we used to
एक
have this
memory,
kitchen set.
हाँ.
Kitchen set. So वो हमेशा we used to play like she used to be the person who will cook the food, give me food to eat and drinks. Especially we had a champagne also in our that kitchen set used to have a fridge also, fridge, oven, everything they used to have. They even I guess had a tap as well.
हाँ.
So that is the one memory which I have literally clearly in my mind that we used to play.
I do have कि मैं ऐसे बर्फ डाल के उसको दीदी.
Yeah, have some drink, relax. So that's one of the memory. And also नानकी घर we used to play a lot. That's it I would say. Or else she will say बस कर किती बोलशी.
असं काही नाही अरे तू बोलू शकतेस यार आज तर व्हिडिओ तुझ्या नावावर.
ठीक आहे.
Second question. There's something you have always wanted to tell me but you never did.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I just want to say to her that it's okay to be a crybaby sometimes. It's okay to give up on something. It's okay that we have to keep on trying and trying. Sometimes we have to fail, but we always have to be consistent. That's it.
Wow. What's one thing that you admire about me?
Okay, so what I admire about her is that she is someone very free spirit person. It takes me a time to approach a stranger in on street and help them out. बात करना तो बहुत अलग का बात, like it's a way to her head. But she is someone who will go help people. She is very kind-hearted. You can say I'm पत्थर दिल.
नहीं ऐसा this is nothing like that guys.
I feel so. I feel
मुझे
so.
अच्छा लगता है और ये इसकी
Yeah.
फटती है लोगों से बात करने के लिए सबसे पहली
Yeah.
बात तो मैंने इसको एक बार बोला था द्वार के यहाँ पे एक ना लड़का अकेले खा रहा था तो मैंने इसको बोला था कि ज़्यादा से तू भी राउंड खा नहीं गई ये ओके what's the biggest lesson life has taught you so far?
Biggest lesson something life has taught
You're like
me.
she's like 23 now so
Yeah, I'll be
maybe-
turning 23 in
Yeah.
April. Something which life has taught me is that we never know the person I'm talking to would be alive or not. So it's just that we have to end any conversation with any particular person on a good note rather than regretting afterwards.
That's really nice. What's one dream you still want to achieve?
Okay, so the one thing which I still want to achieve is that I want to build a library. It's not like my home library, I would say like a public library where I can sell books as well as a like cute little coffee cafe where people can sip coffee and read their favorite book. It's like, you know, something will give them peace.
I never knew this.
Yeah.
ये मुझे कभी नहीं पता था. Is there so this is the sixth question. Is there anything from our past you'd like to talk about and make peace with? Is it like something तुला असं
Yeah. So we both are short tempered. We get angry very quickly, but sometimes I think I take a back step and I'll let her vent out, and then I will tell. But there are some times where I can't control my emotion. I go out of hand and I speak whatever comes to my mind, and so I'm very sorry if I ever said you something.
कल ही हुआ है ये.
But see, I feel every sibling fights, and then the other day they are very okay.
Yeah, you can just see. मैं कल तो ऐसी थी, मुझे ये बहन चाहिए ही नहीं मेरी जिंदगी में. Okay, 7th question. What's one habit or trend of mine that annoys you the most?
Annoys me. Trend, what you do? Oh my goodness, I hate the fact whenever we cook in kitchen, she has such a stupid mouth. She will keep on babbling every gali, and I don't want the other person to think, "Arey, Purva also speaks such kind of language." No, I don't speak such kind of language. She has very pathetic words, very pathetic, and I would say, "Don't say that," and she will say that word on my face.
तो फिर धीरे धीरे हाँ शब्द नहीं बोले जा. बोल रही मैं 3 बार बोल दूंगी वो शब्द. I can't say that word, but there's one word she doesn't like.
Very very notorious she is.
Let it be. हाँ, 8th question. What's a secret you have never told anyone? At the sun.
Secret?
हाँ, something secret.
I don't think so. I have any such secret. When see, I just want to know that I have one childhood best friend, that's Chaitali. Everyone knows. She knows everything about me. If someone tells us to write a history or autobiography, she is the person to contact if I die someday. Okay. Yeah.
How do you really feel about our family dynamics?
Our family dynamics. I feel it's like every all middle class family. We have this routine that every weekend we watch movie all together. We fight. It's very normal to have chaos in an house. That's how the peace has to be. There should be love, hate, everything I feel, and I like the way how our family is.
What's a moment in life when you felt truly happy?
Okay. So I don't think so I will ever have a sibling in my life. I was in 3rd standard when she came in my life. So yeah, I was very happy when she was home. My friends used to visit her when she was a baby. It was a very nice thing. And she used to look like a doll. You know those doll who cries, they button the back and they cry. Baula. That's the way she used to look like. And the thing is that बचपन के सारे फोटोज मेरे हैं पर इसकी बेचारी के नहीं है. We have very few. Only one picture where she looks like a very baby. That's it. But she used to look very cute. Even now she is. But sometimes.
11th question. If we could go on one trip together, where would you want to go?
Oh yeah, I want to see. I have visited with a beach. We have a desert. We have mountains. So I really looking forward to go with her in a snow place. Yeah.
Okay. हाँ, how do you want to be remembered? मुझे लग जब तू मेली तरह. हाँ.
Okay, so I want people to remember me as being a very empathetic person. That's it. That's someone who can understand someone's feeling, being very kind. Vaisa.
Ooh. Kind.
Basically a good person.
Shut up. Is there something I do that makes you feel loved or appreciated?
Can you repeat again? Bouncer गेला.
हाँ. म्हणजे लाईक असं काय आहे जे मी करते तर तुला असं ते चांगलं वाटतं आणि असं वाटतं की हां मला ॲप्रिशिएट केलं टुकटुकने.
Oh, I like her confidence. I like how she talks in front of the camera. It's not easy. It's a piece of cake for her.
तू जरा आहेस का?
काय?
मी काय प्रश्न केला तुला की मी असं तुलासाठी काय करते ते तुला असं लव फील होतं. पागल.
ते कट करशील ना मी जे बडबडले
आता काय बोल चल.
Something. Okay. She has given me this bouquet made of roses. It was made up of ribbon so that it can stay for a lifetime, because you know the natural flowers dies after a particular moment. So that was very heartful for me. Also sometimes she makes some reels for me, very touch.
She feels touched.
I feel very touched.
Yeah.
Like yesterday not, I guess in the morning. Memory loss. In the morning she posted, we have this bachpan ka photo together. It's like this.
If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it
Me,
be?
for me,
स्वतः सा.
I wish I was a little more outspoken during my school time because I was a hell shit introvert person. I used to not talk to people. I used to be very quiet. So I was like, I guess after my 10th standard, I started to open up, talk to people. So I would tell my younger self to that only, I guess.
What's something you want to do together that we haven't done yet?
Something we have not done yet. Scuba diving. We went in the water. But that sea waters, oh god, I
It
started
was
to feel
stinking
like
so
not
bad.
stinking.
It
It's
was
the
the
way
way.
like that how the water is supposed to be in the deep sea. So we were like full. आपण जाणार, fish बघणार. And then Jay passed me. We were like, we don't give a shit about money. We just want to go back to
हाँ,
land.
पैसा
That's
waste
it.
हो गया था.
So पैसा वेस्ट हो गया था तब हमारा. पर उसके बाद we were very kids. I guess it was before COVID we went.
हाँ.
So we were kids at that time. So I guess I would like to do scuba diving with her. Because हमने वो भी किया था ना वो कुछ तो. We went.
Paragliding.
हाँ, parasailing. It was parasailing.
Paragliding.
Paragliding is like coming from mountain and then going in the
अच्छा हाँ
valley.
parasailing.
हाँ.
ठीक है तुला तो ते पण नव्हता शब्द आठवत होती.
कुछ सा.
Parasailing.
हाँ तू बोली ना.
नाही. झाले.
हाँ. Done and dusted.
Yay! I thought it was interesting questions, okay, but it was so basic questions. It was like
You can ask any interesting question if you have.
हाँ okay. Wait. विचार करावा लागेल ते जरासा. हां. जर असं तुला कोणी if someone asks you like what is your sister like how would you define me like as like my personality? And I'll
She's
answer about her also.
she's very straightforward. She doesn't take a minute to think and speak. And very caring and kind she is. She likes kids a lot.
But मैं मारती भी उनको उतना ही हूँ.
Yeah, and she is still gonna be a baby even if I have a baby in future. तो मैं बच्चे को वही बोलूँगी भाई बच्चा पहला ये है मेरा. फिर आप आए हो.
This is the thing I wanted to hear because अभी भी हमारे खानदान में एक ऐसी लड़की है जिसको दीदी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. So उसका नाम पिल्लू है. And
Her name is Prisha.
हाँ उसका नाम प्रीशा है बट पिल्लू है उसका नाम जिसका मैंने लॉलीपॉप एक बार खाया था मेरी एक रील में रैंडम रील में. तो मैंने उस दिन दीदी को ऐसी रॅन्डमली बोल दिया था की मला खूप राग येतो जेव्हा ती तुझ्या मांडीवरती येऊन बसते का भाई माझी दीदी है का असं तसं. तो उस दिन अभी हम लोग गाँव जाके आए तो वो ना रैंडमली उसकी लाइक लैप पे आके बैठी तो दीदी बोलते जली ना तेरी.
Oh, it just stuck in my mind. And she has a habit of coming and sitting on my lap since very little.
Yeah.
Obviously, even you got tears that day, na? When she said that she's about to go in 6th standard.
Yes, oh my God, पिल्लू is someone like वो बॉटल की तरह थी एक 10 रुपए की
छोटी,
बिस्लरी की बॉटल.
very little she was. So the thing is that her parents are work. Like since she was born, after 6 months, her mother started to work. So she used to come to our place. So Amma, Pillu, मैं, then this is the how our house used to be full of people, all of people. And then जब से वो छोटी तब से उसको देखा है. She has break a lot of stuff. She has a lot of things that she has to give us back.
हाँ चुरा.
Yeah.
And एक बार क्या हुआ था स्टोरी टाइम मैं मेरा ना बर्थडे था मे बी इट वाज माय 6th और 7th बर्थडे एंड मैं स्कूल से आई घर पे. मैं आई एंड मैंने देखा कि बेडरूम का दरवाज़ा बंद था. हमारे पहले हम रेंट के घर में थे तो 2 बेडरूम्स थे सामने सामने तो वो दरवाज़ा बंद था. तो आई वाज लाइक कि दरवाज़ा कहाँ बंद है. तो फिर मेरी नानी ने बोला कि अरे उसने ना खिड़की से नीचे ना तांबा फेंका. देख हमारे पानी पीने का तांबा होता है बड़ा बड़ा सा वो नीचे फेंको तो एक इंसान के सर पे लग गया था. वो आई वाज लाइक वैलिड तो है ये मतलब ये फेंक सकती है लड़की नीचे चीज़ें. तो मैंने इग्नोर कर दिया. मैं हॉल में आई एंड शी लाइक मी नाही सांगणार बेडरूममध्ये सायकल आहे. बेडरूम में साइकिल है. ऐसे तक भी प्लान ऐसा फ्लॉप हो गया तो पिल्लू इज समवन लाइक उसके पेट में कुछ भी नहीं रहता है.
Nothing. Very. But she's someone.
She's just like हमारी तीसरी sister. We can just say that.
बहुत अच्छी है. She's very. Now अभी वो so teenagers में आ रही है. So now she's becoming a brat, I could say. But उस दिन अभी हमको मस्त बोल के आए उसको.
हाँ उसको धड़ा सिखा के आए हम लोग.
What?
धड़ा सिखा के आए.
So now she, I guess, वो सुनेगी हमारा. Obviously वो सुनती है. अगर तो स्टोरी इफ यू डू स्टोरी टाइम विद ऑल द लिटिल सिबलिंग्स व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी हैपी
यही होगा गाइस और कुछ नहीं होगा सगळे एवढे सबका आवाज इतना कर्कश है नुसते बस चिल्लाते रहते हैं पूरा टाइम ऐसे रैंडम वीडियो भी स्नैप भी ले रही हूँ ना तो एवरीवन इज लाइक शाउटिंग पीछे.
So basically what happens if the one child is quiet, the other one is crying. Then the other
Yeah.
one is quiet, that this person is crying. And it's always like इसको चुप करो, उसको चुप करो,
हाँ,
इसके
and फिर
चुप
एक
करो.
वो सारे एक बार रोने लग जाते हैं ना तो एक एक झापड़ देके चुप कराने का मन करता है बट मी कांट डू दैट.
Yeah. One day.
तू मला कधी लहानपणी मारलेस?
नाही कधीच नाही मारलं. एक वेळेस बोलली असेल मी तुला खूप पण मारलं नसेल. मम्मी सारखं
नाही मारलंस तू मला
नाही
कधी.
मारले. मला नाही आठवते मारलंय का.
म्हणजे काहीतरी तू वाईट केलंस का तू माझ्यासोबत? तुला नसेल आठवत तर मी सांगू शकते.
बोललेली मला ही नको होती बहीण असं वगैरे बोलली
नाही नाही बोललेलं नाही ऍक्शन
काय काय मला नाही माहिती सांग.
एक बार इसने क्या किया था बताया हमारा रैंडम झगड़ा हो गया था एंड
यार इसको बंद कर दिया था मैंने.
इसने मुझे हॉल से खींच के मतलब ऐसे नीचे मैं ऐसे नीचे दिखी थी तो ना और इसने मुझे बाथरूम में बंद कर दिया था 5 मिनट के लिए एंड लाइट ऑफ थे एंड जब मैंने बोला कि मी मम्मीला नाव सांगेन उसने मुझे इमिडिएटली बाथरूम से बाहर निकलने she's a very
bitch.
she is
I agree.
बट हम दोनों बिल्कुल भी सिस्टर्स नहीं लगते लाइक यू कैन जस्ट सी मेरे बाल इसके कुछ है ही नहीं हमारे भी सिमिलर
It's
वैसे
just
तो
we have same eye shape, I guess.
या
सेम आता लेन्स लावून शायनिंग मारते ती. आणि काय सेम आहे आपल्यामध्ये. शी गॉट डिम्पल्स लाईक मी ओनली.
बट दीदी क्या खड्डा है खड्डा जिसमें पानी भर सकते हैं. हमारे घर में जब पानी जाने वाला होता है तो हम यहीं पे पानी स्टोर करते हैं.
लेम जोक्स मारते हैं. या अभी हम लोग वी आर अबाउट ओह so today we are about to perform together at the
Yeah.
reception.
Oh my God! After
Ah.
16 years of our life,
I have danced. I have performed with everyone, like everyone.
yes. But मेरे साथ कभी डांस नहीं किया और हम पहली बार डांस करने वाले हैं.
Yeah.
And I thought कि मुझे डांस सिखाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट काम
very
होगा.
easy.
बढ़िया.
See, this her body is a bit stiff. She's not a little bit flexible, but she has improved a lot and she has grasped the steps very quickly. So it was very nice. So yeah, I guess एवढंच ठीक है. And बस आता इसको ये तुम लोग ही समझाओ. ये कुछ भी बोलती रहती है मेरे बारे में घर में और लोगों को शक होता रहता है फिर. And she knows what I'm talking about.
काय?
ये तुला माहिती आहे दीदीचा बॉयफ्रेंड
आहे ना खोटी. चप.
बाय
So, ए बंद नको करू. So guys, this was it and just I want to say a sweet thing in like end video के end में that I would love to have this type of sister in every जन्म. बस मैं विश करती हूँ कि अगले जन्म में मैं इसकी बड़ी बहन बनूँ ताकि मैं इसको बताऊँ कि जब ऐसे कभी कभी ऐसे बुरी बिहेव करती है तो कैसे लगता है. बट I just love being a sister, छोटी sister. So yeah, that was it.
Hey, come on, you can't deny the fact मी तुझं किती लाड करते हो. अरे भाई मैं अपना खुद का छोड़ के पहले इसको लेती हूँ. उसके लिए हमेशा सब कुछ देखती हूँ मैं. Yeah, that's true. You better agree. Anyways, let's get back to this video.
So it was it. ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं बिकॉज इसको कुछ ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन किया तो ये भाषण देना चालू कर देती. तो ये 15 क्वेश्चन इसके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा परफेक्ट थे. And we both are looking so pretty. I just can't stop admiring her because she is like beautiful girl I've ever seen in my life. I'm just so jealous of her.
ए गप्प बस. She's पागल.
See? मुंहफट है ये. मुंहफट है भाई कुछ भी बोलती है.
Hey, but I use very basic गालीज. Her गालीज are so pathetic that कोई बाजू वाला जाके भी उसके ऐसे मुंह टेढ़ा करके जाएगा. इतनी गंदी गालियाँ देती है वो.
नहीं मैं जरा भोली भाली सी लड़की हूँ गाइस. मैं ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं हूँ.
घंटा बोली सब ओपन है.
Bye. So yeah, that was it. If you guys like this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon ताकि मैं जब ऐसे फालतू वीडियोस लाऊं तो आपको पता चले.
And she's the same person who says तुला ते लाईफ जॅकेट घालायची गरज नाही आहे. जरी तू पाण्यात पडली तरी फ्लोट होशील तू. मी मोहाना दिसते ना. नाही तू गेंडी मोहाना दिसते.
आज भी हमने मोहाना लाइक शी इज लिजिट लाइक मुझे मोहाना जैसी सी लुक आहे ना. हेज वाव झाडू आहे झाडू. आमच्या घरामध्ये काथ्या संपतो तेव्हा आम्ही हिचीच ते केस घेतो. Bye.
Bye bye.